Welcome to Chapter 2, where we'll explore drug use from a pharmacological perspective. And so what really this chapter does is it introduces the most important and basic factors that really influence what psychoactive chemicals do to the mind, and therefore how they influence what people do when they take these types of substances. Now, what drugs do really depends on whether or not we take the short-run view and look at the acute effects, or the long-term view, which is the chronic effects. Now, drugs vary considerably according to how lethal or toxic they are, and whether the body can biochemically adjust to those effects, to how long they have been taken, and then how long it takes for their presence to actually be eliminated or removed from the body. Now, the effects of drugs are not solely determined by the biochemical effects of the substance itself. They're also influenced by how they are taken, the quantity that person customarily takes them in, how strong they are, how potent they are when they are taken, and then what other drugs they are taken with, because there can be interaction among them. Now, substances also vary according to how inherently pleasurable they are or reinforcing they are to the person. So really, pharmacologists have divided up the drug world into really different categories or different types of substances according to their different psychoactive effects. And so really the object of this chapter is to help explain how natural inherent chemical properties of different substances really influence what drugs do to the human mind, and therefore why and how they are taken. And we're going to provide a foundation for the different drugs that we talk about in later chapters. Next week we'll move into Chapter 3, which will take a look at drugs in the news media.